Hotel at the Canadian Fallsview Suite. Okay, so you didn't get the wow effect, but here you go. So before I go through the room tour, I just want to show you the wow effect. This is the view, the Fallsview on the Canadian side. And since it is summer, at 10 o'clock at night, they are going to fireworks. So I'm going to show you the firework at night. It's so amazing. So we can actually sit on the sofa, have the live screen looking at the Fallsview, and then have the fireworks show tonight. It's going to be amazing. Okay, so this is I would say the highest suite category is the corner Fallsview Canadian suite. Okay, so when I just get in, there is a closet, but there is no bathrooms, even for suites. Last time we stayed at the Marriott Fallsview Loft Suite, which is the most famous suite. But actually when we come into the suite, we actually like the suite better. Okay, so they have the bathtub. Imagine that. Okay, you're sitting in the bathtub, facing the view, okay, and taking a shower. How wonderful that would be. So they got a lot of towels. And this is the amenity. And then just the corner hair dryer. And then they got quite a good size rain shower in addition to the bathtub. And again, I cannot get my eyes off the Fallsview. Oh, I'm going to take a bubble bath. Okay, so walking out, there is a small book desk area, 2 free bottles of water, a coffee maker. They do have a mini bar. Actually not a mini bar, but a mini fridge that you can put stuff in. And then this is our king bed, kind of like a studio suite. 2 TVs. So, you know, that's the view. If you kind of waking up, ooh, you see the view. That's what you pay for. Okay, so at night, when the firework begins, we can walk out to the balcony. Sorry, we'll try that later. And then we can hear and feel the firework if you want to. So there's a small balcony here. And then that's the silver. It looks a little bit old, can do a little bit of renovation, and then the small fireplace, another TV, and then the amazing Canadian Fallsview view. So that's what we paid for. So this is the overall size, which is very good and decent. And sometimes I do like the studio concept that you have everything on one floor instead of the Marriott Fallsview Loft Suite that you have 2 floors. But you can review my other video, so you can compare and let me know which one you like better. So yeah, that's it. We'll just check in. We'll see you tonight.